Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like A series, F series, M series, J series of any Samsung Android smartphone if you're using, and if your Samsung Android smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin, pattern and password lock, then after when you will hard reset of your Samsung Android smartphone, then after hard reset when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome pop-up, language option, start button and emergency call option. You can see here. So after hard reset, when you will come on this start option and go through all the process, let's check what happened to the phone. One more thing I'd like to tell you, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here, I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after, you have to tap on this next option. So you can see here, after hard reset, after factory data hard reset, you can see here it's again asking your pin, pattern or password lock, but you can see here you're getting another option that is showing here use my Google account instead. When you will tap on this option, you will switch to a new page, and the pages you can see here, it's a Google verifying account page. Here it will ask your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remembered your Gmail ID and password, then you can easily feed your Gmail ID and password on this page and go to the next option. But if you don't have remember your Gmail ID and password, so you can see here you're not getting any escape option on this page. So for this, when you will go to the next option, you can see here it's not let you go to the next page. So here I am going to tell you how you can bypass your FRP lock. This page is known as FRP lock page, which is generated by the Google to secure your smartphone in your phone is stolen. Okay, so for this, simply you will have to reach to the starting page like this. Now from here, you will have to firstly change your language option from English India to English US, then go to the OK. Now after that, you have to go to the start option. Now agree to all and agree. Now after that, go to the agree here. Now on this page, you will have to activate your phone's talkback option, and for activating your phone talkback option, you will have to press the power button and the volume up button, press hold and release. Now tap on this use, again repeat the same. Now here you will have to draw a opposite L like this. Now here after that, you will have to double tap on this while using the app. Double tap on this use voice command. Open Google Assistant. Open setting. Now when your setting option will be appear on your phone display, firstly you will have to switch off your talkback option. Okay, now at the top of the phone, you can see here your phone is showing here lock pop-up at the top of the phone corner. So your phone is locked by FRP. So you will have to make some changes in setting page. Firstly, you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here lock screen. Now here first option will show here screen lock type. You will see here that a screen lock type will show here swipe. So when you will tap on this, you can see here it's not working, so don't worry at all. You will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here face recognition. You have to tap on this option. Now in this page here, you will have to tap on this continue, and you will have to make continue this option 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after that, you have to go to the back option here. Now after that, you will get an option that will show here about lock screen. You have to tap on this about lock screen option, and you have to tap on this open source license. Now in this page, you will get a URL. Simply you will have to copy this URL. You can see here. Now go to the back, again back, and exit from setting page. Now after that, come to the starting page here. Now after that, you will have to again start this page. Agree to all, agree. Now here you will have to tap on this add network option. You will have to tap on this setting option. Firstly, you will have to scroll down and go to the reset to default setting, reset keyboard setting, erase from here, go to the back. Now go to the language option. Here you will have to switch on English US and off this English India. Go to the back. Now come to the option that will show here text shortcut. Here we will have to tap on this add option. Here you will have to paste that URL, and here you have to type *#0 *# and add. Now after that all the settings has been done. Simply you will have to reach to the starting page again, and again you will have to start the process. Go to the agree, more, agree. Now you have to tap on this next option. Now tap on this don't copy. So after that you can see here you are getting here a skip option in this page where the Gmail ID was asking. Now you can easily bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. Now there is no any stuck in this method. Simply you have to tap on this skip option as skip this page. Now after that it's a simple setup of your Samsung Android smartphone. If you want to use new pin pattern or password lock, you can use from this page. So I will right now use a new pattern. Okay. Skip from here, tap on this finish. Select your language. So here you can see with the help of some setting changes in your Samsung Android smartphone, you can also unlock your smartphone of pin pattern and password lock and FRP bypass of your Samsung Android smartphone. So you can see here this phone is completely FRP bypassed. Now after that, if this method worked on your Samsung Android smartphone for bypass your FRP, then do the like this video, and if you have stuck anywhere in this method, then make us comment. Our team will definitely respond on your comments. So thank you so much.